I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
As the sun rises over the Guiana Space Center, the team conducts final checks on the health and status of the Ariane 5 rocket and its payload. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's #1 science priority.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm
The Webb telescope is designed to look back to a time when stars and galaxies were first forming, over 13.5 billion years ago. With its revolutionary design and capabilities, the Webb telescope is about to unleash a new dawn of discovery.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
À tous
fakeness.
ces vidéos, attention pour des trompes finales.
I'll always show up.
10,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Seconds before liftoff, the Ariane 5's liquid-fueled engine comes to full power, followed by the ignition of 2 solid rockets. We have liftoff.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
The Webb telescope is finally on its way, the result of years of study and development by thousands of team members in the United States, Canada, and Europe. Webb spacecraft ascends nearly vertically through the heavy lower atmosphere of Earth. As the rocket reaches maximum acceleration, the spent solid rocket motors are jettisoned safely into the Atlantic Ocean. Reaching the upper atmosphere where protection is no longer needed, the payload fairing is jettisoned and falls away. Accelerating through the atmosphere, the Ariane 5 rocket's first stage expends its fuel and shuts down. The empty first stage then separates from the upper stage. After first stage separation and before second stage ignition, the Webb telescope has a slightly downward trajectory as it speeds over the Atlantic Ocean. The upper stage motor ignites and the ascent to L2 resumes, never again to be interrupted. The exposed telescope is delicate and must be protected from the sun's fierce heat. To avoid overheating and damage, a carefully designed series of oscillations are performed that provide the necessary protection. Near the end of powered flight, the roll program stops and the launcher then assumes the proper attitude for separation.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
After separation from the Ariane upper stage, the Webb telescope continues its journey to L2 under its own power, taking the next step to its final orbital station 1 million miles from Earth. The Webb telescope is about to unleash a new dawn of discovery.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
It is now time to tension the sunshield membranes, each thinner than a human hair, pulling each of the uniquely sized and shaped layers to their optimal position. When deployed, the sunshield allows the telescope to cool to 385 degrees Fahrenheit below zero, cold enough to liquefy air, while the layer closest to the sun is almost 190 degrees Fahrenheit above zero, nearly the boiling point of water. It's almost 600 degrees. True fire and ice. Once in the shadow of the deployed sunshield, the telescope and instruments continue cooling down to their final operational cryogenic temperatures. At the completion of membrane tensioning, the secondary mirror deploys into position and is latched rigidly in place. The aft deployable radiator releases and springs into position, allowing the instruments to radiate their waste heat directly into space and away from the telescope. Disposing of excess heat is crucial to the mission, so that it does not overwhelm the faint infrared signals to be collected from the cosmos. The cord-fold wings deploy and latch in place, completing the major deployments of the largest telescope in space. As the Webb telescope continues out to its operational orbit around the Sun-Earth L2, the observatory continues to cool down to its final cryogenic temperature state. A trajectory correction applied 29 days after launch puts the Webb telescope into its halo orbit, a key part of the mission design. The Sun-Earth L2 point is where Webb's orbit around the Sun is synchronized with Earth's. At this point, 1 million miles from Earth, Webb is free from the thermal influences of the Earth and all eclipses. Additionally, the Sun, Earth, and Moon The brightest objects in the sky are hidden by the deployed sunshine, giving Webb a dark, cold, and stable environment to carry out its mission of discovery. Once the mirrors and detectors are sufficiently cold, the wavefront sensing and control operations can begin. This sophisticated multi-step operation's ultimate goal is to position each of the Webb telescope's movable mirrors into their correct final positions and orientations. Once the mirrors are aligned, the mission team will continue checking out the science instruments, preparing them for operations. Commissioning is completed about 160 days after launch, and the science mission is ready to begin. This brings to fruition the work of the thousands of members of the Webb team from the United States of America, Canada, and Europe. Astronomers from all over the world can now use this facility to study the universe. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is a game changer which will revolutionize mankind's understanding of the universe. Discoveries made by this observatory will rewrite textbooks, inspiring the next generation of future engineers and scientists. This revolutionary tool will provide mankind with an unprecedented view into the birth of the first stars and galaxies, unleashing a new dawn of discovery.